The ABS Iger Amazon Field School introduces participants to the social and ecological complexities of biodiversity conservation and tropical ecosystems. Faculty leaders for this course are Dr. Amanda Stronza from Recreation, Parks and Tourism Sciences, Dr. Lee Fitzgerald from Wildlife and Fisheries Sciences, and Dr. Donald Brightsmith from Veterinary Pathobiology and the Wildlife and Fisheries Sciences departments. The course takes place in and around the Tambopata National Reserve and Bauaja-Sonene National Parks in the department of Madre de Dios, Peru. The region has some of the highest recorded levels of biodiversity in the world, but is vulnerable to many new threats, including extensive agriculture, gold mining, illegal logging, and land speculation associated with construction of an interoceanic highway. The field course is usually held from mid-May to mid-June. In this course, participants have the opportunity to visit and explore a variety of terrestrial and aquatic habitats, businesses, markets, organizations, ecotourism lodges, and 2 different communities. In 2010, we visited the community of Infierno, where Dr. Stronza has performed a lot of her work, and the community of Baltimore. All these visits and explorations focus on 3 themes. Themes include issues related to water, palm swamps, and hardwoods. Field school participants are split into 3 interdisciplinary teams that examine all sides of a complex issue related to the theme that they chose. During the stay at the community of Baltimore, field school participants had already been split into groups, and each group stayed with local families that had something to do with the theme the group had chosen. In my case, we stayed with Don Eduardo, a fisherman, and his mother Teresa. The hardwood and the palm swamp group also had very interesting experiences during their homestay and got to learn about the local people, the local customs, and their interaction between their culture, what they do every day, their livelihoods, and the actual forest. As part of the field school activities, we also had an opportunity to visit the market at Puerto Maldonado, where we had a treasure hunt that introduced us to our potential themes and got us to learn about local issues. We also had a 1-day conference where we heard from conservation practitioners and scientists actually involved in doing work in this area. During our stays in the forest, we stayed in lodges managed by Rainforest Expeditions. Their guides would take us on several walks a day and even some night hikes where we would learn about forest ecology, the wildlife in the area, and human interactions with the forest. The guides were people who had grown and lived in this area for a very long time and really knew about the area. The ABS Field School is now a study abroad course. This course confers 3 to 4 academic credits from Texas A&M University. All Texas A&M graduate and upper division undergraduate students who have strong interest in the social and ecological dimensions of biodiversity conservation are eligible to apply for this course, which I highly encourage.
Vamos en Peque Río abajo.
Palpebrosis. Because it has these bones over its eyes, they're called palpebral bones, and it doesn't have the spectacle like a spectacled caiman.
Okay.
It's got that real square shield, and it's got these things here that kind of hurt when I grabbed it.
Yeah.
And this is a full adult male.
Craig, dale. Porque ya no. Have a good video here for America's Funniest Video.
Stupid fucking piece of shit.
Go for it, Lee.
All right, Lee. All right. Oh, I got the awesome shot. I got a great.
Wow, that was smooth action.
Yeah. Pretty good for the first time.